How to track an Amazon package. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you track an Amazon package. So all you need to do is make sure to update the application to the latest version. So to update it, so you want to first of all open up your respective app store, and on the search bar you want to type in Amazon. So after which you want to click on the update button if you see so. If not, launch open the app and log in. Once logged in, this is how the interface will look. So next thing what you want to do is, on this field, click on the U button from the bottom left corner of your screen and go to order section. So basically you could track your Amazon package from the order section. So right over here you'll have these orders. So you want to click on the particular order that you want to track, and you could find this track next to it. So then you want to go ahead and click on the order there, and this will open up a page showing that the page or the package current status, including delivery update, tracking number, and potentially a map showing that the delivery process as well. So this is how you could track an item. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.